everyone, welcome to LiveX. This is an exchange, guys, where you can trade, copy trade, spot trading. So here I will give you a complete review about LiveX Exchange, how you can earn a lot of profits on simply sign up and by registration your account here. So you can get a lot of rewards, guys. You have to don't miss this opportunity. Firstly, you have to like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. So guys, here is where traders thrive together. You have to trade, hold and earn crypto with peace of mind. You can start trading right now. So where is the traders? So this is very good news for my audience. You have to join here, and guys, I have placed all of the official links in my video description, and here I will tell you how you can join this and how you can trade here, get a lot of rewards. So guys, firstly, you have to simply register your account. So guys, you have to firstly register your account. You have to put email and you get password on your email, and then you can get a welcome bonus by simply signing up. So here you can get a free 100 USDT where the very long term as a gift. And so here you have to just join here and you can get a lot of profits, guys. And here are different programs. There is a VIP programs, rewards for you. If you join, then you can get a lot of free rewards. Here is the different VIP levels rewards where you can get a lot of profits. And these are the lot of benefits for you. You have to join here and you have to earn here. So it's on to you which you have to join. There are different tournaments that are upcoming where you have to join and you can earn a lot of volumes in first place. You can earn second, third. It's on to you which tournament you have to join, and you can earn here amazing rewards too. So guys, this it depends on to you, and there are also exclusive content here where you have to join and you can start profit right here. It's on to you, guys. Either you have to choose right now. If you take a time, then you will do a lot of miss things. So it's on to you now. It's up to you, guys. Have you joined? If you miss, then you get a lot of things here. So these are the explore a universe of trading potential. Leverx brings you a diverse range of cryptocurrency that's created to satisfy the very needs to our community. So guys, here you can trade, and these are the all of the currencies where the popular future pairs like USDC, Bitcoin, Solana, Peep. It's on to you which you have to choose, and you can. So you can get started in three simple steps, and as I tell you, you have to simply click on the Levex and then you have to put your email. And in this easy way, you can register your account. So you have to just create your account right here. You have to put email password and then you have to you can sign up. So you can here deposit your amount, and guys, you can trade, learn and evolve here. You have to dive into the world of crypto and establish systematics. Guys, also investment and make the most unique features Levex offers. Here's the these are the we have to also download our Livex app, and where you can trade on your mobile phone. So this is very exciting news for the audience that you have to download for the Android, and you can access, you can download at your mobile. You can trade at your mobile, and you can also scan to your QR code. So back and know your full crypto potential here. You can start your trading right, guys, now. And guys, you have to also join our social media's account. Like this is our Twitter official account where you have to follow, and you have to like, comment, and retweet merging social trading cryptos real time. Here you have to trade right, merging social trading cryptos real time insight from top traders. Elevate your trading experience right here, and here you get all of the updations about your crypto journey with Levex, and you have to sign up here under 20 seconds and started trading right away. Here are our further updations where you have to check this. And guys, this is our Telegram community, Levex Crypto Exchange announcement, where you get our further announcement, latest news about Levex here. So you have to join here. And guys, here you can also trade here, you can deposit here, and you can start your guys journey. Here you have, here you can check this. You can also trade at spot. This is the graph where you have to set your trading point, which you have to choose your position, which where either you can buy or you can sell. It's on to you. You can see the current price of which either will be increases. So it's on to you, either you have to join or not. And there is our market review, guys, where you can buy and you can sell also. You have to transfer here, so you can also do sport trading here. Here you can check out our markets also, guys, and this is a lot of benefits for the viewers if they join. So guys, you have to must join here. This is the new listings of marketing. Here you can check this of exchange of Levex will be listed on all of these exchanges, so you can check here and you can get a lot of profits at Livex. So guys, you have to must join here. I hope there is a lot of rewards hubs here where you can check out. Guys, this is the very rewards hubs for the audience. If you unlock unparalleled rewards with Livex, you can start your trading. These are the very tournaments that will be doing daily, weekly, monthly, and you can trade for free on Livix. There is no fees and hit the jackpot. The VIP advantages, you can take this, evaluate your trading experience with our superior VIP programs, and there is a match discount, hit the jackpot, trade free, ongoing. These are the our campaigns that we have to do in on tournaments. Like here you can check, and these are the all of terms and conditions, guys, where you have to participate by using these all of the rules that we have to provided here. So these are the all of our rewards hubs tournaments for our audience. So you have to check this and you have to must join here, and you have to must join here and you have to check this. I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.